So the first thing I gotta do today is take care of this nail that's sticking out of my tire. So for that, oh, it looks to be like a self-tapper. As you can see, it's leaking quite good. So you just want to rough this up a little bit. Okay, so I got my plug ready. So I got the plug in. Got the tool out. When I did the timing belt and the water pump job, I noticed that these coolant hoses leaked really bad and I didn't have them with me, so I improvised. As you can see, that hose is yellow and it's not supposed to be. So I'm going to take apart all of this so I can get to these coolant hoses. I got these genuine Mazda coolant hoses from some guy on eBay for like $30, and they're actually legitimate Mazda OEM. So here's a comparison of the OEM hose and then the hose that we jerry-rigged.
Alright, so here is the taking off of the hose. I'm just going to do this real quick. Lose as little coolant as possible.
Got this end out and we got this end free. So what I'm going to do is release it from this end. I'm going to go get the new hose and put that on. You can see the coolant just dripping out. Plug it up with this hose. Now we can put this hose up through where the old hose went. So we don't, here's the old hose and here's the new hose. It's just gonna take this old hose off. New hose on.